Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 18. Today you're going to listen again to the conversation we heard in the last video, video 17. You should do the exercises that I've included for you to download and print in the description below. After that, you should listen to the new conversation. I want you to listen and see if you can understand what is being said. You should answer the questions at the end. I will provide the answers in the next video. Let's go. Hi, my name is Ewald. Nice to meet you.
Hi Ewald, I'm Kathy. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Kathy?
I'm from Ipswich, near London in England. How about you?
I'm from Kaunas in Lithuania.
Really? I've never been in Lithuania. Is Kaunas a big town?
Yes, it's quite big, about 300,000 people.
Yes, that's quite big. Ipswich is half that size, about 140,000.
Are you working here, Kathy?
Yes, I work in an office in a language school. And you?
I'm a manager in a supermarket in Kaunas.
Okay. And do you need English for that?
Oh no, I'm just here learning English as a hobby.
Great. Have you seen much of England?
No, not yet. I have been here only 3 days.
Oh dear, the weather is not good for exploring.
No, it has rained a lot, but tomorrow will be fine, I think.
Ah, here's my taxi. It's good to talk to you, Ewald. I hope you have good weather.
Thank you, Kathy. It was good to meet you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Example. Where is Kathy from? Kathy is from Ipswich. Question 1. Where does Ewald work? Question 2. Is Kathy a student? Question 3. How long has Ewald been in England? Question 4. Is the weather good? Question 5. Was Kathy waiting for a bus? If you were able to do the listening and understanding exercise easily, well done. You are practicing, and that's the key. If you found the exercise difficult, don't worry. Just go back and play the videos again. Video 11 is the first conversation video. If you want to support my videos, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button below. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, then you should click the bell icon in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.